everybody. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I cannot believe this video has never seen the light of day. When I was looking through my computer last night, I was like, wow, I actually filmed it a year ago. I was like, I did a really good job, and I remember working so hard on it. So I'm excited to share it with you. It involves stitch wickery. I have not seen many people use stitch wickery on YouTube, and I wanted to show you what I did with it. Thanks for tuning in. This video goes fast. Keep your eyes peeled. right? I did cut out a couple spots, but basically you just lay this down, put your wet cloth on it. It was crazy. I was cracking up when I saw how much steam I was making. Yeah, it's super easy, and the pillow I used was a $3 pillow from the Target dollar spot. And I needed to bring some grays in because this room is gray and the room next to it has a little teal like wallpaper in it. So I wanted to combine those together, and I picked up the fabric at Joann's. It was the end of the roll. It was super cheap. And I've actually had this pillow for over a year. It's exactly the same from the day I made it. I don't have to worry, you know, I didn't spend a lot of money on it. Don't have to worry about Brayden messing it up or anything. And I mean, look at these seams. They are tight, boy. They're tight. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you tuning in. I have so many good things coming up. I'm trying to stick to a schedule. A fellow YouTuber gave me advice to just post every like certain days and make a schedule. So stay tuned. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's really hard for me to hold on to a video once I have it edited. Is that a word? Once I have my video ready to be public, it's hard for me to hold on to it, but I'm going to stick to a schedule so you guys know when you should tune in. So from here on out, it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll see you there.